Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, we're going to be making snow day mix. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Mama Timeout. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe at. Melting white chocolate. We're going to put this in a microwave for 50% of the power, 30-second intervals till we get a smooth consistency. We're going to take it out, we're going to stir it, and put it back in until we get totally smooth. You want the consistency to be nice and smooth. We're going to pour this over our popcorn. We're going to need about 6 cups, so I have in 2 bowls to make it easier to pour it, to mix it up. If you want to, you can do it directly on a cookie sheet, but I think this method will be easier. So we're just going to put a little bit on each one. Get our spoon out, and we're just going to give it a good toss. To our 2 bowls, we're going to add M&Ms. I'm doing Christmas ones, so red and green. Pour it in the other bowl. Give it a good toss. We're going to add pretzels. Marshmallows, and sprinkles. Any sprinkles you want to use. I'm using snowflakes and little dots. We're going to put this on a cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it. I have 2 cookie sheets. We're going to put the second one on here. I'll take some and put it on the other cookie sheet since this is really full. We're going to let this cool for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. It's completely cooled off. We're going to break it and put it in our bowl. So you don't have big chunks like this. And now we have our snow day snacks. I can't wait to try it. My camper smells so good. And now for the fun part. We get to try our snow day snack. My camper smells great. This was very fast to make. It will be great to do with your grandchildren or your children, or if you're the kid at heart. This would be perfect. With all the Christmas movies and Christmas shows, this would be such a cute little idea to have for Christmas at night. Let's give it a try. Get a good mix. Mmm. 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 With the saltiness and the sweet, this is so good together and so easy to make. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!